Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Today po is Watchout Wednesday voucher ni Gcash. At today, meron po tayong na-receive sa kanya na bagong-bago at fresh na fresh. First time ko po makareceive ng 3-digit number sa kanya sa voucher. So, I'm so excited to use it. Let's do this. So, pay QR tayo. And then, scan QR code. Scan natin yung QR code ni store. And then, lalabas yung details. Type in natin yung total amount due. Lalabas dyan, insufficient balance. So, click ko lang po yung voucher. And then, ayan, voucher applied. Eto na yung total niya. So, guys, nandito lahat ng details. Save ko lang tong resibo. And then directly saved on your gallery. Check natin yung details. Successfully paid to SW Commonwealth 5, 17 and 83 pesos na lang po yung na-less sa aking balance. And then amount due. Tapos yung discount voucher, payment method, kung Gcash or kay Gcredit. So meron tayong na-receive na bagong QR voucher. Na-claim na natin yan. So, ayan guys, may natutunan kayo sa short video na ito. Nagkaroon kayong idea kung paano i-apply si voucher kay Gcash and paano siya gamitin for every transaction. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe, click that button, ring nyo na rin yung bell para notified kayo sa aming mga bagong videos. Till next time, see us! Bye!